is how to position a 3-point start.
Down, 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 down. Set. Go.
This is my percent of sprint start technique.
Set. Go.
Second set of sprint start technique.
Set. Go.
This is my last set of sprint start technique with my teammate Allison.
Yan. Oh, ready. Pass to. Three point. Set. Go.
This is how to position at 4-point start.
Down. Set. Go.
Now this is my 4.30 meters sprint.
Ready. Set. Go.
Now this is my last set of 4.30 meters sprint.
Go. Wait lang. Yan. Ready. Set. Go.
And for my 30 meters fly, this is 20 meters and the other one is 30 meters.
Set. Go.
This is my last set of 30 meters fly with my teammate Allison.
Set. Go. Go.
That's it. Again, I'm Mercy Jelinjo Biroque from Malolos, Bulacan, and I'm applying for scholarship in National Academy of Sports. Thank you.